Hi guys, so here's another tutorial for warrior advances and retreats. Remember, the key thing is to keep your feet mobile. And it is up to you to either turn the feet out or pointing forward as you lunge to do the advances. Now as you swing your arms to do the retreats, you shift the weight from side to side, turning the feet out. And before you return to the first position, remember to point the back toes to the back of the mat, and then you return to the first position. So you can see here for my right hip and foot, I turn it slightly out because I want to work on the external rotation of my right leg. And for the left leg, I keep it pointing forward. Swinging my arms to the left side, I turn my left foot out. Swinging to the right, turn my right foot out, coming back up to a high retreat, and point my right toes to the front of the mat. Exhaling, return to the first position.